Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some tobacco tea. This stuff is used in different tonics and things like that to spray on your lawn. The tobacco will help you rejuvenate your grass and plants and other things, other vegetation, and it's used in a variety of different formulas that you will be seeing in videos to come, because I'm going to be using this tobacco tea in a variety of other tonics and formulas to spray on lawn to show you guys how to grow better and greener grass. So it's very simple. You need some hot water. Right here I've got an electric tea kettle, and then you need a bottle. Now you could use a gallon jug or whatever type of jug you have, and then you also need some tobacco, some chewing tobacco. Now you have a couple different options. Number one would be to get like a nylon stocking, and you could put the tobacco, grab like 3 fingers and a thumb and just scoop it and then throw it in the nylon stocking, and then you could dip that right in this bottle and shake it up and let it sit in there and then take out the whole nylon stocking later. Or you could put it in like a tea ball type thing if you have any of those. Otherwise, make it simple. Get the pouches. You get pouches, you drop them in there, problem solved. So I've got some pouches here. I got a can. I'm not really a tobacco guy, so I don't know how to get into it, but we'll get there. Alright, so we get that open. Okay, so I've got some pouches right there. Now, as far as tobacco, if you can get plain tobacco, that's probably going to be the best option. They didn't have any, so this is mint. I didn't get wintergreen. But then I'm going to just drop in what a good amount would be, like if I were to grab a pinch of it like this. So keep in mind these bags are going to be a little bigger than a pinch. You're going to typically get a little more. So we'll probably just use about half the can. Let's see, what do we got in there? It looks like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we've got, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. So we'll stop right there, seal that up for the next batch. Then it's really easy. You take your water and pour it right in there. Careful, it's really hot. So you're going to fill that up with water, with some hot water. Kind of burning my hand here. It's melting the bottle, so I guess you'll probably want to use a glass bottle. Well, let that be a lesson to you. You'll definitely want to use a glass bottle. Fortunately, I got this glass little anchor measuring thing here. We'll just dump it right into that. They say in any instructions you follow elsewhere, like in the books and whatnot, to use a gallon jug, you want glass. As far as I'm aware, they don't make a glass milk jug, but some places I guess you can get them. So we'll just go like that. We'll pour that right in there, and that is really all you need to do to make your tobacco tea. So we've got this right there. You see it kind of gets to be a nice brown color, and then from there I would say let it cool, and then you may put it into a plastic container for use in any of these tonics. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the entertainment of this video. We melted the jug, no big deal. We worked through it, put it in glass. Let that be a lesson to you. Anytime you're making this tea with this hot liquid, you use glass containers. So that is it. That is how to make some tobacco tea. And hopefully you will continue watching these videos to learn where we're going to use this tobacco tea.